Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 54 of our Marchesi vocal exercises. Today, we're going to be looking at exercises 74 and 75, which are entitled Exercises on Two Notes.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Marchesi has a little introduction in this section. She says, the exercises on 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8 notes are useful for blending the registers, increasing flexibility, and for accuracy of intonation. Like the scales, they must be sung slowly at first, breathing at intervals, and transposing them a semitone at a time, higher or lower to suit the voice. As in the scales, the speed may be increased and the frequent breathing omitted when the pupil is sufficiently advanced. So I always say, definitely breathe more when you're learning these, okay? Because learning notes takes brain energy, which also takes breath energy. So don't expect yourself to be able to put these all in one breath at one go. The most important thing is accuracy of intonation. You think you know what a third is, but I guarantee you, it can be so many things. We're talking about like in terms of tuning. You can just be a little bit off, and it doesn't mean that the fundamental pitch is off, but there's a frequency that's off. And depending on how you're operating in a scale, or in a chord, that function will change and your tuning may need to alter. So I invite you to become very aware in your head about the brightness and darkness that certain intervals need in order to be really, really accurately in tune. Here we are on exercise 74, and we're going to be going up a third, down a major second, up a third, down a major second, okay? And then the pattern changes when we come back down. So let's just really pay attention to our intonation here. Okay, good. And now we can take this to exercise 75, which we're inverting. We're going down the third and then up a fourth, down a third, up a fourth. So be careful. And here we go. Oh,